Welcome to my video. Do you like a charting program just like this one where you can do 100 different features, you can have 1,000 different colors, you can change your bars up to any color you want, you can have your background anything you want? The coolest thing about it is it's absolutely free. Be sure to check out the links in my description right away or after this video. Enjoy the video. What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Welcome to Trade with Tyler Trading Education. Today we're going to be going over ADXS on the stock ticker. This stock has a 24.43 million share float and a market cap of 6.97 million. So it is below our optimum of 30 million share float. That's kind of what we like to see just because we want to see those big volatile moves. Now obviously you don't need that every time, but it's nice to have. I did not see any recent news for this stock, no recent positive fundamental news that I could find. If I'm wrong, go ahead and correct me in the comments below. I really appreciate it. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the technicals on this one. Let's go ahead and draw our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 36 cents. We got our support down here at about 26 cents. And then we got our median sitting right here at about 31 cents, it looks like. And you can see that we're just below the median, just touching off the median here. You can see that when we did open at market open, we opened from at 20 cents and we ran all the way up to 36 cents before pulling back to this support area at 26 cents. We ranged inside this zone, and then at the end of the day here and after hours, you can see this shaded area. We just kind of range and went up, touched the median here, and we're just sitting right at 31 cents about. You can see we're above the VWAP, so that's a good sign, showing that most buyers today are in above water. That's kind of how I see it. That's the easy way to look at it. What I'm going to be doing for this stock is I'm going to be watching this stock for potential continuation play tomorrow. But the first thing that I absolutely need to see is I'm going to want to see that momentum return, break above that median, and then I want to see us break above this 36 cents. And what I'm going to do, now this might not happen right away in the morning, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is add an alert here. And you can get this trading platform to where you can add alerts to. Just check out the description. I have a link there that you can use to use this. You don't need to download it. You can use it using that link, and it's absolutely free. It's a great program. You can it can send you emails, pop up, and it'll notify you on the app if you have that there too. So you can see that I went ahead and set my alert. I really did, because I'm going to be watching this for obviously tomorrow. So this way, when I have the alert set, I'll know when it breaks above here. I don't need to be watching the stock 24/7. You don't want to kill yourself like that. So the next thing I want to see is I want to see us pull back just slightly, whether that's a 5-minute pullback, whether that's a 1-minute pullback, whether it doesn't matter. I'm going to be watching it like a hawk the second we pass 36 cents. And once we do pass 36 cents, I'm going to wait to see if either we just explode straight up. In that case, well, that's fine. I didn't get in. I'll move on to the next one. But if it does pull back slightly, again, I'm watching this like a hawk. The next thing I want to see is if either two things are going to happen. We're going to stabilize here, or we're going to fall back down here. If I see us stabilize, I'm watching my level 2s, I'm watching all my confluence indicators. Then what I want to see is I want to see the selling stop. I want to see that buying kick back in. I want to see that momentum return. And once I see that, I go ahead and have my stop order ready here. And that way, when that momentum returns, I don't have to worry about getting a perfect entry, because I already have my order set after I realize that we're not going lower. Again, you just want to make sure you're giving yourself the biggest percentage chance to win. Once we see that momentum return, this way we get that perfect entry. So we're in house money right away. And what I do is, once it goes up here to this next resistance up here at about 43 cents, I'll go ahead and sell 3/4 of my position, hold 1/4. That way I'm in house money with all those profits. That way I have options. So either we're going to pull back and repeat this kind of pattern here again, or we'll pull back here. That way I'm holding 1/4. I can sell it really easily, and it's much easier being risk-free. You never want to be playing with your own money. So this is the move that I would look for tomorrow. We definitely want to watch that 36 cents. That is the absolute crucial level for the bulls. We want to see a pullback, stabilize. Once we see that momentum kick in, we have our order ready, get that perfect entry, and we ride up to this next resistance up here at 43 cents. So that's what I'd be looking out for. If you're a bull on this one, 36 cents will be the crucial level. If you are a bear, or if you're holding a lot of stock, you'll definitely want to watch out for this 26 cent level, because a break below there would almost certainly cause panic, because we would break below the VWAP here, and I would expect it to try to retest off this zone. If we can't break back above there, then most likely what will happen is that momentum will push us down here to this next support down here at 20 cents. So definitely watch out for that if you're shorting or if you're holding stock or whatever the case may be. But so the main levels, 36 cents for the bulls, and then 26 cents down here for the bears. I'll be watching that 36-cent level because I'm going to be looking to play this on the long side. All right, everybody, I hope this video did help you. If it did, click that like button. Make sure to subscribe and also share it with your friends on Facebook, StockTwits, and Twitter. This way I can keep doing these videos because I need to see some sort of sharing. Otherwise, there's literally no point in me doing this because I'm just doing this to help you guys. So if this did help you, please, again, share it, like it, subscribe, click that bell. You know the deal. I really appreciate it. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I'll catch you tomorrow in the next video.